Okay. No, ngifuna ukubheka ke manje ngiyazi ukuthi iSouth Coast okanye indawo yangale South Coast ise closer to Eastern Cape. Mhlawumbe khona ama-artist mhlawumbe noma mhlawumbe those aba open mic abavela ngakulo macala lawo as much as say KZN but closer to Eastern Cape.
Kuline up nje kunomfethu kuthiwa uLakota.
Okay.
Uzombona lapha kuline up wase-Eastern Cape. Nabo open mic bakhona abase-Eastern Cape. Eastern Cape yasapota kakhulu last time 2024.
Yeah.
2023.
2023, yes.
Bafika ne-text egcwele isuka e-Eastern Cape.
Okay. Ngifuna ke manje kulabo mhlamba ba-undermineayo mhlamba bayithathela phansi this movement enayiqala nje ukuyisaqhubeka nje njengoba usho ukuthi in future nayibona ukuthi ngelinye ilanga izoya stadium emagroundini. Ngifuna mhlambe umncenxe umuntu ofana nalo mhlambe ukuthi don't give up but afike mhlambe naye ithuba lakhe liyeza lapha.
Yabona engakusho nje mina ukuthi bomthando umculo. Bomthando overall we-hip hop. Lo mcimbi lo akuwona owethu. Okuwona nje wephepha umcimbi owethi song. Noma kuthiwa ukuzibona ukuthi ukuphi kulo nyaka athi class sakhona. Mhlambe amehlo ethu soba forward ningafinyelelanga kuwe. Ungapheli amandla. Ngicela ufike uzosupporta and nethuba lokuthi perform njengoba ngisho ukuthi open nakhe sivaliwe bakhona eseresponsible ukubona usiqualify for open mic. Yabo nalapho uzothola izithuba. Ungadibali ngoba ngonyaka ozayo sikhona ukwazi ukuthola ithuba ngoba bengakubalela nje abafethu abanye abakwi-line up sabathatha yona through open mic ababefikile ngo-2023. Wayibonakalisa sabona ukuthi uyaqualify ukuthi angangena kwi-line up. So ungadibali selufike nje uzosupporta ishow in future now yoba ayisho.
Okay. Omunye umuntu uzozibuza ke excellent before mhlawumbe uzosinikeza the contact details ama contact details nokungena uthi ngena nje noma uzozibuza ukuthi ke niyenza le festival but the aim yenu, what's the aim ye Pressa Entertainment ukuthi yenze South Coast hip hop festival?
The aim ye Pressa is to make music where hip hop to grow, to give young talent a chance. Or abafethu abanye abangakazi mhlawumbe la perform the likes of obviously or lokunjana ozawo on the same stage. Because umuntu emeperformance ukuthi sengeke ngaperforma nosibani manje ngicela ukubona ku-TV network nama-artists as a whole ukuthi let's try to build something together in future ezoba i-success.
In other words niyabakhuphula ngelokuzana ngenye language ukuthi bangacabangi mhlawumbe ukuthi umsebenzi wabo ungaphela la ezingene eliphansi akwazi umuntu mhlawumbe ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi ukhuluma ngendaba yo network ukuthi network mhlawumbe ne-artist elikhulu
injalo ngoba uzothethe kwezethathi kade ngifisa la artist mhlawumbe bebexoxa bebonisana bavumela ukuthi basebenze lapha ngithi thina sezipressa besikwazi ukuthi achievise into ekade ayisise ukuthi yenze.
That's right. Awusiphe ke inani imali mhlambe umuntu usiphi VIP ngenwa ngamalini kwi-general ngenwa ngamalini izinto nje zimi kanjani emcimbini usithathe nje usibeke as a whole.
I-general 60 rand i-VIP masithi 160. If ulokho njeni laphana kuna ne-package kubafethu amalokunjani esinayo when it comes to ama-drinks. Khona ama-drinks laphana ama-cider bucket ahamba nelokunjani nama-wings. So futhi uzothenga ama-cider cider bucket with ama-wings ngo-300 masuba khona i-cider bucket yodwa ozwazi uyithole ngo-180. Ukudla khona eqaphela bayaziyo ama-refreshment yonke ikhona. So nje kuzobe kuningi kuzobe kumnandi nje ngathi bonke abantu abaphumelele bazosupporta abantu base-South Coast bazobukela umcimbi oswenzayo wesithathu onyakeni obizwa ukuthi South Coast Hip Hop Festival.
Ngifuna ke manje abantu mhlambe athi umuntu mhlambe anginayo lokhuzana angwazi ama direction ngifuna mhlambe usinikeze your contact details abantu abanixhuma kona banithola kanjani as Pressa Entertainment maye ngabe umuntu ufuna mhlambe ukuza kwi South Coast Hip Hop Festival.
Mofuna ukubuza South Coast Hip Hop Festival mhlambe ungawazi ama direction Asosakos Mall ufuna mhlambe ukuxhumana nathi ungangixhuma mina ungaxhuma epage check ipage lethu lithi Pressa Instant Payment or kulokundana ku Facebook or mofuna ukuthi ufone straight mhlawumbe ukuthi yabona ukuthi ukuyadileka mhlawumbe usesendile imessage awuphendula ungawazi ukuthi wenze into ezilula ufonele mina ku 064 14 52530 064 14 52530 and okunye abantu abazobe siphathele umcimbi angifuni ukubakhohlwa ngoba abantu ababalekile when it comes to party show
yes
no T439 masisiba no why not masisiba khona no TK
yeah
TK owazi kakhulu khona sakhosi waba khona nje ku entertainment iphathi lekunjani when it comes to umculo we-hop now industry uyaziwa no why not omculi owaziwa why not special secretary ukwabi actor whatever nje kuzonke izinto masizoba khona no O39 bona abantu abathathu abazobe siphathele umcimbi masikisa khona web ticket online or very uyesitolo Pick n Pay or a box uthola amathikiti esakhosi professor Sabani ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza futhi lokho wangixhuma kulo number ade ngisho ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibethele straight ticket ukuthi awukwazi ungena ku online uthenge awukwazi ngesitolo ufuna ukuthi ungethe
okay sebonga kakhulu DJ Excellent
ngoba mina angifundanga ngisho ngoba angifunda